I'm Mickey. I love measuring things with my tape measure. Let's measure some things together. Okay, how tall are you? And how tall do you think a giraffe is? Let's see. An average giraffe is about 600 centimeters tall. Next up, how long is your hair? How long do you think a horse's hair is? Let's measure. Some horses can grow their hair, called a mane, up to 570 centimeters. Amazing! So, how long are your arms? The gibbon has extremely long arms. How long do you think they are? Well, I'll measure and check. Look how long his arm is! 180 centimeters! How long is your nose? An elephant has a very long nose, called a trunk. How long do you think it is? Let's check and see. About 200 centimeters long. How long is your hand? Gorillas have huge hands. How long do you think a gorilla's hand is? Let's find out. Wow! About 27 centimeters long. How long are your legs? An ostrich is a bird with very long legs. How long do you think they are? Let's see. About 140 centimeters long. They can run very fast, up to 70 kilometers per hour. How long are your feet? A polar bear has enormous feet, called paws. How long do you think they are? Let's measure and find out. Its paws are about 36 centimeters long. Last question. How long is your tongue? The blue whale has the longest tongue of all. How long do you think it is? I'll dive down into the ocean and measure it. Look at that! It's about 580 centimeters long. And it weighs as much as a car. Wow!